Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable suggest detected languages for captions on your Android or Samsung phone. And basically what this does, if you're using captions on your phone and your phone should somehow detect another language, let's say you're watching YouTube or you're on Instagram and someone is speaking in a different language than the one that you have set for your phone, then it can detect that language and it can suggest it to you so that you can download that language in the caption settings on your phone. So how do you do that? Go to settings and click on accessibility, and you want to click on the hearing and enhancements. Right now, from here you want to click on the live caption feature, and if you scroll down you have the languages. So here you'll be able to click here and click on add language and add languages from here. But if you go back few steps, you have the option that says suggest detected language. New language is required to get downloaded, right? So you need to come here and ensure that you have these features enabled. But whenever it detects a language, you will have to come here and download that language because it will get suggested to you. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.